and welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Capital One credit card. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open your web browser, and once you do that, type in www.capitalone.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of Capital One. Now, in order to log in, go to the upper right corner of the screen and tap on the sign in button. On the next page, sign into your account by entering your username and your password. In the first text field, type in a username and move on to the next field where it says password and type in your password for your account. If you want the site to remember you, then check this box that says remember me, but do not turn this on in case you are using a public device or a shared device. In case you don't remember your username and your password, then tap on Forgot Username or Password link right below the sign-in box. If you don't have an account yet, then you can tap on Set up online access and register to a new account first. After you're done typing in your credentials correct, tap on the sign-in button and you will be logged into Capital One credit card account. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.